Here we are back at the 1 hourly chart of the Bitcoin chart, and here we are looking on this symmetrical triangle what Bitcoin was forming in the last days is broken here up to the upside, get a massive fake out and a big red candle to the downside. Now the question is, will we reach our price target from this symmetrical triangle, or will we go lower and retesting the 20,000 US dollar level? So this is what we are talking about in this video, so definitely stick around at the end of this video. First of all, let's have a look at the 4 hourly chart and look also on the price target of this symmetrical triangle what was creating here after the breakout from our W pattern right here, and also on our symmetrical triangle right here at this level at the last 2 days before. So let us also look around of this price target. We are looking there. We have the price target of the breakout zone up to 23,000 US dollar, but we get here a massive fake out to the downside, and now the Bitcoin prices, when we're looking here on the 1 hourly chart, is going back, which is first of all a good sign, but we must pay attention that we also break here this level would be a really strong resistance line here in this range. If we're breaking this level to the upside, we can talk about higher prices. If we are getting rejection here as we've seen here, it would be also possible that we're retesting again the $21,400 level and staying sideways before we can see the next move to the upside. Let us also have a look on the 1 hourly on the daily chart what we are forming here, and here we have two special candles which is not the best for the bullish part. So we see here at the daily chart playing out our W pattern and broke it to the upside, but can't hold this and getting rejected over here at the $22,300 levels and retesting the neckline, which is not a very bad sign. It would be a good sign to retesting the neckline, because if we are retesting the neckline, it would be also possible that we're moving here and playing out our W pattern. But now we have the second red candle, the second daily red candle, also at the same level as the neckline, which not also the best move. So it's still okay, but it's not the best. If we are closing this candle today under $21,500 level, the neckline hasn't broken, and we can also see the next price target for down move up to the downside to the bottom of the W pattern, which is also now then a little bit bearish moves for the downsides. So when we look at the closer at the 15 minutes price chart, we can see really clear that we have this here as a strong resistance line which we're rejecting one time, two times, and the third times over here, and get now the bounce again to the $21,800 levels. And we see here that we have here a massive move to the downside, which is only supported at the EMA. And when we're looking a little back, we can zoom a little bit out. We see here that this is also this support line, which is holding our price above $21,300 levels, which is also very good that we are holding this support here, because if we're broken this support to the downside, we also can see the retest of the 20,300 level area. So that's also very good that we are also above this line here right now. We have also seen here that this would be also be the bear flag. This is playing out now, so it would be also possible that we can see here when we mark this. And the price target would be, yes, would be also $21,100, but I don't think that we can, wait, this was wrong here, but the price target is the same. But I don't think that we're reaching this level because we have here a strong support line which is supporting our Bitcoin prices over here, but it also mean that we can also see the move to the downside, which would be also, yes, 1.5% to the downside. So you can decide by your own if you want to trade this or if you don't want to trade this. In my opinion, it's not really a good idea to trade this because we are only 1.5% maybe to the price target. But if you also want to trade this, you can go under the video. There in the video description, there you found a link up to BITGET. So here on BITGET, you get a bonus from 4,163 US dollars as a deposit bonus. So definitely check this out, click this link, claim your bonus and start also trading. If you don't have an account on BITGET, then also can watch my BITGET trading tutorial, which is also direct pinned here under the video, so definitely check also this trading tutorial. One thing that made me also bullish to this move at the Bitcoin price is also this chart, because we have seen here that we have a correction, a parabolic phase, we have a correction, we have a parabolic phase, we have a correction seen right now as a bear market since the all-time high. And now we can see maybe also possible the next parabolic move to the next all-time high. Because when we're looking at the RSI, we see that this is so much low. And the last times the RSI was so low, this was the beginning of the parabolic phase. So we have here, we have the second one after the Corona crash here, and we have also the third one right now, which RSI is so low that we can also maybe start in the new parabolic move. So here, when we are looking also on the weekly chart, we see that also the RSI is in a very, very good position and gives us also a buy signal. When we are also looking at the 4-hourly chart, what is telling us here, it's also very floated down, so it's a good possibility to buy or to trade a Bitcoin long. And also on the 1-hourly chart, let us look there. On the 1-hourly chart, we have already a little bit moved to the downside from the next prices of the next Bitcoin prices to get lower, to get there also a buy signal. But on the 4-hourly chart, and I think also on the daily chart, now on the daily chart it looks not really good. So on the daily chart it would be also possible that we see a little rejection of the Bitcoin prices and get then a buy signal like here. We have seen it here at this level. This was here a buy signal, or here that we have also seen here the buy signal, so that we could maybe see this move here to testing down and getting then the higher level when the RSI is also floating down and then moving up. But on the 4-hourly chart it looks already good, so that we can see here the buy signal, and maybe also we're seeing here right now that the green candles are going higher, and that the price target would be playing out. If my next trade idea would be, if I would trade this to the upside, it would be also the top here. I would take profits here at this range here at 22,400 to 22,611. In this area I would definitely take some profits, because when we're looking here, the price target to the upside from the triangle if also a look at the beginning of the video, would be 23,100 US dollar, but we have here a really strong support resistance line, and also the EMA is here making as a support, as a resistance level. If it's placed to the downside, my price target would be also here 20,000 US dollars, which would also be the support level here at this range here. When we get a little lower right here, I think it's here the top of our pattern here. Let us also have a look on the EMA ribbon. What the EMA ribbon is telling us here. On the EMA ribbon, we see that we are still in an uptrend, which is also good. So that would be maybe a sign that we are retesting the EMA ribbon again, which would be also here in this line. And on the 1 hourly chart, yes, we have tested the EMA ribbon, and the EMA ribbon is acting as a support, which is a good sign. So we see here it's all over in the bull trend right now. Only on the daily chart, I think we are in the middle of the ribbon. Yes, in the daily chart we are in the middle of the ribbon, and now you can see the red candle we have talking in the beginning of the video at the daily chart. It's now forming green, which makes me more bullish, and it looks now very better. So if the video is published, you can see if the candle is red or if the candle is green. So let us me down in the comment. And this is also the end of the video, so definitely check out of this next video, so it's coming tomorrow, and don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe to the channel, and then we see in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.